My name is Todd Neff, and this is SAP Industry Cloud Innovation Value Stories. Today I had the chance to talk with Charlie Ifrah, who co-founded and now serves as Chief Product Evangelist of INTURN. INTURN's mission is to address the largest ongoing problem for brands: inventory. INTURN 360 for SAP Industry Cloud is the only enterprise solution that provides brands with full inventory visibility across the supply chain. That enables teams to maximize recovery and reduce harmful waste by optimizing slow-moving and excess inventory. The result brings cost savings, improved margins, and faster speed to market. Let's have a look. Charlie Ifrah, co-founder and Chief Product Evangelist of INTURN, thank you so much for taking the time.
It's a pleasure. I'm happy to join you.
What does INTURN 360 in SAP Industry Cloud do, and what value does it deliver to the customer?
INTURN helps brands turn your inventory problem into an opportunity. To expand on this, let me give you a few examples. First of all, INTURN is a centralized system of record, and it provides full inventory and transaction visibility. The second thing INTURN can do for you is avoid the double sell problem. We've seen that many sales teams will work on the same set of inventory, present that inventory to multiple retailers, and because they're sharing the same set and don't have visibility into what each other are presenting, they have a lot of reconciliation that has to be done after they've already made commitments to their retailers. Another benefit that the INTURN platform has is the streamlined workflow, which results in a faster go-to-market strategy. It also allows for brand protection. And most importantly, it helps customers reduce waste. We know today that a lot of customers are trying to achieve their ESG and sustainability goals, and the INTURN platform really allows them to achieve their goals, and it facilitates that reduction of waste.
So what drove INTURN's decision to develop solutions for SAP Industry Cloud?
Many of INTURN's customers were already customers of SAP. And it became obvious that integration was something that would be very useful and necessary. When we spoke with SAP, they recognized the benefit of our solution, and we partnered with them. So SAP optimizes the supply chain and the selling process, and INTURN addresses a white space in the sale of slow-moving and excess inventory. The INTURN partnership is consistent with SAP's strategy to build an ecosystem of partners who extend the core platform and functionality.
Why should a customer be interested in INTURN solutions? I mean, what differentiates you guys?
INTURN separates itself from the pack because slow-moving and excess inventory is a business reality for businesses across all verticals. And this is caused by a lot of external factors that can lead to the buildup of unplanned inventory. Let me give you a few examples. First one could be forecasting errors. Nothing's perfect in forecasting, and some of those errors will be caught by the INTURN platform well in advance of when humans realize that those errors in forecasting were made. Economic instability is also something that can cause the creation of slow-moving and obsolete goods. Changes in consumer behavior, consumer spending habits can also be a factor in why inventory will become excess or slow-moving. There is also things like unexpected weather changes. You see this in the apparel space where the summer extends itself well into November, and then winter coats are not in high demand. And that's a reason where slow-moving goods becomes a reality. Another area is in innovation. So we have a lot of customers that are continuously innovating. We've been told by some of our customers that only 8% of their innovation actually becomes long-term products. And so just by a company innovating, it can result in the production or the creation of excess inventory or obsolete goods. A prime example of a situation that can result in slow-moving and obsolete goods is something that we've all experienced over the last year and a half because of the COVID-19 pandemic. There were massive returns that were unexpected. Retailers were shut down and therefore orders were canceled. And all of these are things that are unforeseen, unplanned, but yet result in slow moving and obsolete goods. Another reason customers should be interested in our solution is to avoid the double sell problem. I spoke about this a little earlier, but let me expand on it a little bit. What we've seen is teams of salespeople within the same organization, in many cases, are selling the same set of inventory and presenting it to multiple retailers. And what happens is if one salesperson doesn't have visibility into what the other salesperson is doing or selling or presenting, it can result in double selling the same inventory to two separate retailers. And what usually happens is the two salespeople or sales teams have to reconcile and potentially pull back commitments that they already made to customers. This is a problem in efficiency, this is a problem in time, and this disappoints both the salespeople and the customer. Using the INTURN platform, which gives each salesperson on a team the exact real-time visibility of what inventory is being presented to who and at what time, is a massive efficiency move and efficiency play for a company. In addition to the previous points that I made, another very important benefit to using the INTURN 360 platform is to reduce harmful waste to the environment. As we know, a lot of companies in the past have resorted to destruction of goods. And with the INTURN 360 platform, we help you reduce that waste and give those products an additional life. The final benefit that I think is important for us to talk about the benefits that our customers get from using the INTURN platform, is digital transformation. So we know customers went from paper to spreadsheets, but what the INTURN platform allows you to do is go from spreadsheets to an application. The application is really important as it's a system of record and it's used to surface opportunities for you. The INTURN platform uses machine learning and AI in order to help you make the right decisions in real time. The INTURN platform could tell you what inventory is going to become slow moving and obsolete. The INTURN platform will suggest where that inventory should be sitting, who to sell it to, what quantities to present, and at what price. These are really important things for a customer to be able to know as early as possible. Some of the things that the machine learning and AI does is it allows you to see these opportunities before a human may be able to recognize those patterns. And what that allows you to do is not only liquidate and get rid of that inventory sooner, but also gives you a much better margin recovery. A good example of a customer that's truly benefiting from the INTURN platform is Unilever. Unilever drove efficiency by digitizing their supply chain with INTURN 360. Here are some interesting metrics that I can describe. They had a 75% time savings in inventory file manipulation. They've seen a 29% of manual steps removed in their selling process. They've seen a 36% decrease in the offer duration, and that's the time that they started curating an offer for a retailer or a set of retailers to the completion of the deal, and a $6.5 million sales increase year over year.
So what questions or concerns do potential SAP Industry Cloud INTURN customers have about making the transition to the cloud? And how do you address those concerns?
So some of the key questions that potential customers ask us are, what's the buyer's experience like? At INTURN, we take a lot of pride in our user experience and our customer support. So buyers have all the support that they need, including the intuitive experience that a seller will have on their side of the platform. Another question that comes up a lot is, what's the time to onboarding and what does it take to onboard onto the INTURN platform? And we've seen onboarding take as little as 4 weeks. And something that's important to talk about is we've been engaging with IT teams and they've been taking a lot of interest in the integration between the INTURN platform and SAP. As a matter of fact, a lot of companies are only partnering with companies that have the ability to integrate into their ERP or into their SAP platform. And that's something we do very well. Another question that comes up a lot is, what are our security standards? At INTURN, we take a lot of pride in our security. We have many customers that are publicly traded companies, and they put us through very rigorous security audits. I'm really happy to say that we've passed all of them with flying colors. And finally, once customers come onto the platform and they start making use and benefiting from the Intern platform, our customers are always asking what's on the roadmap and what's next. And this is something that we do very well at Intern, in where we're constantly engaging with our customers. We're always trying to understand what their problems are, and our product design and engineering team are always building new features and experiences to solve and to continue to solve for our customers' issues and problems.
All right, last question. What are 3 ways Intern solutions in SAP Industry Cloud can boost customer satisfaction?
Thanks for that question. That's a great way to close the interview. Intern 360 enables customers to go to market, and we've seen these numbers. They go to market 10 times faster, which reduces operating costs by 85% and improve product margins by at least 10%. Secondly, Intern is a platform that's intuitive and a very easy user experience. This is something that's really important to companies. When you think about your day-to-day, you open your mobile app, you want to call an Uber, you want to do your taxes, you want to do any type of finance, you want to order food, you expect an intuitive and easy to use experience. There is no reason you shouldn't have that in the workplace as well. At Intern, we take a lot of pride in the intuitiveness and the ease of use of our platform. And then finally, by utilizing Intern 360, customers can make a direct impact on the bottom line and reduce harmful waste in the environment.
Those are good answers. Charlie Ifrah, co-founder, chief product evangelist of Intern, thank you a ton for taking the time.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching SAP Industry Cloud Innovation Value Stories with Intern. If you'd like to check out Intern 360, Intern's SAP Industry Cloud solution, explore more here. For much more on SAP Industry Cloud, please visit our overview and SAP community pages or log in to Partner Edge.